Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to edit components in Figma. If you've ever found yourself updating a button or any other component, only to realize that your changes aren't showing up everywhere you want them to, don't worry, you're not alone. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to make edits that update across your whole project, saving you tons of time and making your design process way smoother. Let's dive right in. First off, I want you to open up your Figma file and pick out a component you like to edit. Let's use a button for this example, since that's something you often need to customize. So maybe you want to change the text on your button to say something different. Click on any instance of that button in your design and try editing the text. You'll probably notice that only that one button changes, but none of the others do. It's a little confusing at first, right? The reason for this is that you're editing an instance, a copy of the component, not the main component itself. Think of the main component like a blueprint. Anytime you make changes to the blueprint, all copies based on it update automatically. But if you just paint a door on one house, the other houses don't magically get painted too. That's why to update everything, you need to find and edit the main component. Here, how you do it, click on the button instance you want to change just so it's selected. Now in the top right corner of the Figma interface, you'll notice some information about the component. Look for the label that says "from this file." You should also see a little diamond shape next to it, which is Figma's icon for components. Go ahead and click on that diamond logo. It might feel hidden if you haven't used it before, but it's really handy. When you click it, Figma will instantly take you straight to the location of the main component in your file. This can save you from searching through endless layers or frames, trying to remember where you placed that original. Once you're there, you can now edit the main component directly. For example, if you want to change the text of every button at once, simply double-click the text, type in your new wording, and hit Enter. Here's the magic moment. Check out your other button instances across your design. All of them will automatically update to match whatever changes you've just made to the main component. So whether you change the label, the color, the font, or even the shape, those edits are reflected everywhere that component is used. It's incredibly powerful, and honestly, it can save you hours on big projects. Just a quick note, don't worry if it takes you a minute to find the diamond icon the first time. Figma's interface packs a lot in, but with practice, this process becomes second nature. And if you ever want just one specific button to look different from the rest, you can always detach the instance from the main component, giving you total freedom to tweak just that one. Alright, that's all there is to it. Editing main components in Figma is a game changer for keeping your designs consistent and easy to update. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or want to see more Figma tips. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and happy designing.